Good morning students. This is class 1 computer, lesson 6 storage devices. Children, in this video you will learn about data and storage devices. Name of some storage devices that you will study in this video is CD, DVD, pen drive and memory card. Children, these all devices are used to store your data. So children, in this video we will study about this. First, let us understand what is data. What is data? Suppose children, you want to keep the record of your friend's birthday. So what you will do? You will make one list. You will write your friend's name and in front of that you will write the birth date. And children, you also want to keep the phone numbers of your friends. So again, what you will do children? You will make another list and in front of their name you will write their phone numbers. You will make third list. You will write your friend's name. You will write their address. So like this children, you keep the record of your friends. Now when you make the list that you make, the records that you keep, that is called data. That is called data. I am giving you one more example children. Now this is the list of my class. Student's name, it is written here children. And now what I have done, I have written their marks here. English 1, English 2, Science, SST marks, and then children I have made another list and again there I have written computer, GK and maths marks. Okay. So this is the list what I have made. The list that I have made is the data. This is the data, this is the record of the marks of my student. Now children, what I have to do, I will keep my data safe in one file. I will store my data in this file. Okay, I will store my data in this file. Okay, now my data is safe. Same way children, computer also work. Now children, what is the spelling of data? Spelling of data is D-A-T-A, data. And children, data can be of different types. It can be in text and text can be word, text can be numbers and text can be sentence. It can be sound, it can be a video, okay? So data are of different types. Now children, when you work on computer, children, how do you enter data in computer? In computer children, you enter data with the help of keyboard and mouse. Keyboard and mouse. And so children, keyboard and mouse, they are called input device. They are called input device. The data in the computer can be entered with the help of keyboard or with the help of mouse, and so they are called input device. Now children, whatever data you have entered in the computer, whatever work you have done in the computer, it is very important for you to save it. Children, if you will not save your work, whatever you have done on the computer, it will get lost children, and then you cannot find it anywhere in the computer. So children, it is very important for you to save your all the work that you have done in the computer. Now children, when you save your work in the computer, it is saved in the hard disk. It is saved in the hard disk, and hard disk, you will find hard disk inside the CPU box. Hard disk is found in the CPU box. So children, whatever work you do on the computer, when you save it, it is saved in the hard disk. And where is hard disk? Hard disk is inside the CPU box. Now children, you can also store your data in some storage devices. Okay, and now children, if you do some work in the computer, you want to store your data in some of the storage devices, you need to connect the storage devices with the computer. Then only you can store your data in that storage device. You need to attach it in the CPU. You need to connect it, you need to attach it in the CPU, and then children, you can transfer the data from the computer into that storage device. Now children, let us study about few storage devices. CD. Full form of CD is compact disc. DVD. Full form of DVD is digital video disc. Pen drive and memory card. About all four storage devices we will study. Now children, I am having two storage devices in my hand. First one is CD. Here it is written compact disc. First one is CD. And here it is written DVD. Full form of DVD is digital video disc. Both are round in shape, children. Both are round in shape. Both can store text, numbers, pictures, sounds and videos. Okay. But there is only one difference, that DVD can store more data than CD. DVD can store more data than CD, and full form of CD is compact disc and full form of DVD is digital video disc. Children, the next storage device is pen drive. Next storage device is pen drive. Children, this is pen drive. Pen drives comes in different shapes and sizes. Here it is written 8 GB. So this pen drive is of 8 GB. Okay. Now children, you must be thinking, where do we put CD, DVD or pen drive? So children, we put CD, DVD or pen drive in CPU box. There is a place given in CPU box to put CD, DVD or pen drive. Where we put CD and DVD, it is called CD or DVD drive. And the place where we put pen drive is USB port. That is called USB port. I will show you children. Children, this is your CPU box and this is CD and DVD drive. Here is a button. When you will click this button, this drive C, it will open. Okay, this is CD and DVD drive. And children, this is USB port. We put pen drive in USB. We put pen drive in USB port. Both the places are made in the CPU box to put your CD, DVD or pen drive. And then you can store your data in these storage devices. The next storage device is memory card. And children, see, this is memory card. Just see, this is memory card. And we put memory card in mobile phones or in cameras to store photos, music or videos. Okay. Memory card, children, memory card also comes in different storage capacity. Okay. Now these are some storage devices that you have studied in this video. First you have studied data, and second you have studied storage devices, that is CD, DVD, pen drive and memory card. Children, we use all these storage devices to store data, and when you store data in computer, it is stored in hard disk, and hard disk is found inside the CPU box. Now children, let us do the exercises of this lesson.
Now children, check your progress that is given on page number 47, exercise A. Check your school bag, make a list of any 5 things you have in your bag. So children, what are the things you keep in your bag? That is books, sharpener, pencil, tiffin box and eraser. You can write the name of any 5 things. Exercise B. Open the refrigerator at home. Make a list of any 5 things kept in the refrigerator. So what are the things you keep in your refrigerator? That is water bottle, vegetables, fruits, eggs and butter. So children, the list that you have made, number 1, 5 things that you keep in your bag and 5 things that are kept in the refrigerator. The list that you have made is called data.
Now children, watch the video carefully and read the lesson. Okay, thank you very much.